Yo, what's good guys? It's Ovisq here again, and it's devlog number 2, and today we're going to be working primarily on the UI, and I'm going to fully revamp the UI design, and I'm going to show you the UI asset pack today because I didn't do that last video. I didn't particularly work on anything. I actually just showed off what PawnBlox is about, like talking about it's a pawn shop and it's based off the show Pawn Stars, and basically that's the main basis of it. But we're gonna be going to show or do the UI today, so I'm actually doing something today, and you're gonna see the process of me doing it, making it work, and lastly showing you guys how it works. And yeah, that's basically this video today. So if you guys want more content, just leave a comment below saying if you like it and if you have any suggestions and if you want anything different. So I'll see you in the video. Alright, so here we have the GUI that I'm going for. This is the theme and style right here. You can see this is like the close button. This is going to show the amount of money you have. This is like your generic button design. This is just my color palette down here. It's for the borders or colorways and etc. But here you can see this is going to probably be the settings. Then we have the this is supposed to be like a join group type thing, so basically you can join the group of the game. Then we have the favorite button, so you can favorite the game, and this is mute music track and mute the soundtrack, so it's just your settings button. This you might think is, what is this? But this is gonna be what's gonna be showing the item details of the actual item that you're in deal with. And yeah, this episode we're just gonna be working mostly on the GUI. But yeah, let's get into it. So first we have to import these things. I'm gonna do everything over here, so the item details, the close button, this and this. But I'm not gonna be doing these settings because you know, this is gonna be needed to be scripted a lot more. So yeah, let's go in actually export these things out. So we're gonna collect all of these for export. So if I can find all of these assets that I'm gonna be using. So this is the board which I need the button, and I need the clothes and money. Yeah, so that's basically everything I need for export. We're gonna go here and we're gonna do as multiple assets, and then we have exactly what we need. All right. Next up, we have to put this as a PNG because obviously we need these as an image, not as an icon or however you want to call them. Take all of these and export them to where I need them. So UI exports, and I think just right here would be fine. Select the folder, and there you go. So let's go into Roblox Studio, and I'm gonna grab another folder here which I will need to find these UIs that I just got. Alright, so I found them, and as you can see, this is what exactly we have here. This is the old button style. We will not be using this because it's not going to match the theme, which is currently actually on the current UI. So if we go here, we got to find where's starter GUI. There it is. And I think we should start with the shop first. So basically this right here, what you're actually seeing right now, because you can see these are all the images. Plugins, open, there you go. Bring the anchor to the middle, just like that. And now we should be able to drag this if this is active or visible. There you go. All right. Bring this down to 0.925 if I can find the position. Alright, there it is. So it's basically almost 0.2925. After that, we should grab the asset here that I'll be using, which is the button. And there we go. We can see the size of this. So it's a 301 by 104. So we can do that on the size right here. So this should be 301 by, oh wait, that's still 301, and then 104. So obviously that looks huge, but I can just rescale that. And this is not the actual thing that you're gonna be seeing, because this is, I don't know why it's doing that, but this is not like a actual device. I don't know how I'm supposed to import this like I did last time. Oh, there it is. All right, add image, choose file. There it is, button and button design, create. And there you go. So we got our button design right there. Next up, we should probably make the background transparent so it looks just like that. I think I'm gonna do it just like about that much, and we're gonna bring it back to the middle of 0.5, and I think that fits. Now we're gonna make this the buyer collar. That just looks not like where it should be. I have no clue what I should go for here. I feel like it should be like this one. Like if I unselect that, nah, that's too roundy for the UI. And then unselect that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I think I should go for that, so I'm gonna do that. Now I just came to a conclusion, to a realization. I have no idea what to do with the leave shop, because we have this icon right here, which is a cross or a close or whatever. And I don't know how to actually add that in. I don't know where to put it. Because obviously, I could just write leave shop here again, but I feel like that would be too clunky, too many things on the screen, perhaps. Maybe I could put these two buttons on the very right and then add on like... I don't actually not, because there's two buttons here. I don't know what I should be doing here for leave shop, because you have to leave the shop somehow. There you go. Alright, I've been recording for 26 minutes already, and I just got the first part done. But yeah, it's a bunch of importing and stuff, so I'm honestly, I think you guys get the point of it. I'm just gonna do maybe a time lapse of the deals, because those actually not the deals, the deals, yeah, the deals, because that's gonna be nice and easy, except where we actually it's gonna be nice and easy. So yeah, let me do that on a time lapse. I'm not doing a time lapse, I'm editing this right now, and it's freaking 45 minutes, so I'm not gonna even bother. Alright, so I'm back, guys, and I was just thinking, for the negotiations we saw in the last video, it would be displayed horizontally, so we'd have the dollar amount from the left to the middle to the right. And I just was looking at the UI asset pack that I bought, and I looked right here, and I saw this menu right here, and I was like, this actually looks pretty nice to use. So if we look at this right now, I was thinking we could spread out. So we just take these three right here, put them in the middle, get rid of this stuff, whatever this is, and keep the back button, because then we can put here negotiation, like we can just put like offer or ask for the negotiation with the seller or buyer. And we just put the dollar amount here, and we can just put like $1 sign, $2 sign, $3 sign. And basically, the player can choose which one they want, and if they don't want to actually negotiate with them anymore, they can just go click back, and they're done. So I'm going to leave this as a suggestion, but I'm just going to do what was the implementation before. But in the comments, tell me what do you think, if I should actually do this or not, because it looks like an interesting idea, but I don't know if people actually want this idea. So I'm just gonna go back to the time lapse. Alright, so I'm back. I'm editing this right now, and I just realized I say alright a lot now, and I think I've actually finished everything. I haven't tested the game, I haven't ran it at all. I just looked through the devices to see how it looks on the actual devices of like an iPhone or a laptop. And yeah, I'm basically done. I haven't checked the scripting behind it, but we can see right now. I've just changed a few things around, but I'm not sure if it's accurate. But you can see right here, we're in the game. We can close the shop, and we're out of here. As you can see, I changed the open right here. It also scales up when you go over them. That doesn't, so I'm probably gonna fix that. But now, for example, if I click call buyer, let's see if this works. So we call buyer, and it shows off the product, and there you go. there it looks great. As you can see, it says like $43 for this miracle tonic. Obviously it takes too much of the screen, but if we go and check into the devices, I'll probably try out my phone, but it looks not good here. Obviously it does not look good. I'll try to fix the scaling, but on the devices, when I checked on the iPhone, it didn't take too much space, but here you can see it looks fine. That is not supposed to be there, I think, because you can't leave. Oh wait, no, this is actually supposed to be here because you can leave the deal, but as you can see, I'm clicking it right now and it does not work. So I'm not sure if I did something wrong there, but if we go negotiate, that doesn't work as well. Buy/sell does not work. So there's a lot of things to fix here, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, so I finally fixed this freaking GUI because it's taken so long to fix it from all the debugging. But if we finally, actually before we do that, I'm gonna show you what it looks like on mobile. So you can see right here, this is what it looks like on mobile. If I get rid of this, show you this, as you can see, it doesn't take up too much of the screen. It's actually just enough so you can read it and you can see it, and it doesn't take up all your screen. This goes same for your iPad Pro. So as you can see, it doesn't take too much of your screen, just shows enough. It's not too wide. Just like if we go on to a average laptop, I guess, as you can see, it doesn't take too much of the screen again, not too wide, as well as the bottom. So it looks fine. You go on a smaller iPhone, looks fine. You go on an iPhone X, or you go on to a Samsung Galaxy, anything looks fine. But obviously here it looks really stretched out. But if I were to add like a toolbox on the left side, you can see it becomes like, it looks like that, it looks around like that. So I'm just gonna play like this so you guys can see what it looks like. And then okay, got rid of that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add the toolbox or something again. Seems like I can't add the toolbox right here, so I'm just gonna do like performance. All right, there you go. So now if we click buy, it just had some issues because I am stupid. Bro, I swear to God, if I say alright again, I'm actually so done, bro, because I've said it so many freaking times now. Alright. Now that I'm not stupid anymore, we can go call seller and call up the seller. I have $14 right now, it seems like. But if we do this, we can see, oh, hair pomade, 1960, common, great. $15. Oh, my timer's going off. Anyways, $15 for this. I don't have enough, so if I click buy, it shows that. That obviously looks horrible, but I'm gonna fix that later on. I'm probably gonna make my own UI thing in Illustrator. And then you can see negotiate works. So if we go $13, it went down to $13, goes down to $12. Now I can buy it, click buy, and he goes off, and there you go. That's the new UI. It looks so much better in my opinion. If you have any suggestions on how, if you think it should be changed up or fixed, then I will do that. And just as a sneak peek for you guys, because this is just a UI video, and you can see like here's all the scripts in the background that I was fixing with the UI. But if we go here, we can see my friend, my mutual friend, or like basically someone in Gladiator, my staff, you know, is kind of working on this building. As you can see, this should be changed, this awning, because it's supposed to be white and black. But yeah, you can see there's some progress going here with the actual building, and this is what is probably going to be looking like somewhere like this. And this is just the front of it, but it'll be worked on. He said he's going to work on it, so he's probably going to work on that. And you can see this is just what we're using right now as a showcase for the scripting. So yeah, that's basically what we did in this video, the UI, and just a little showcase there. Alright, so that's basically the end of the video. If you guys have any suggestions for the UI, or if you want anything changed about the building, just let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and let me know if you guys want more of this type of content, and I'll see you guys in the next devlog. Peace.